Hey there, my name is Thomas and I'm an account manager here at PixelSpoke. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create, build, and publish a new page in WordPress. Let's get started. From the WordPress admin area, there are three ways to create a new page. You can create a new page by either hovering over the plus new button in the top admin bar and clicking Page, or by hovering over Page in the left side admin panel and clicking New Page from the dropdown, or by clicking All Pages and when the page loads, clicking Add New next to the title Pages. Since I'm here, I'll go ahead and click Add New. After clicking Add New, you will notice that a blank page will load, allowing you to add text and other elements to the page. Starting with a blank page, the first thing you want to do is select the proper template to work from. You can do that by navigating to the editing panel on the right-hand side, finding Template, and clicking the name of the template. By default, the default template will be selected. However, by clicking the drop-down, you will see a list of templates to choose from specific to what's been installed on your site. For these purposes, we'll just use the default template, as it is the most versatile template to build a page from. More on templates in another video. Now we can start building the page. To begin building a page, first add a title. For these purposes, we'll call this page Test Page. Next, building a page essentially happens by adding various components to a page. To add a component to a page, navigate to the blue plus button at the top left of the page. When the drop-down menu appears, you will see a list of all available components on the website. Since a hero is typically the first thing a user sees when visiting a page, the first component we'll add is a hero. You can find hero by scrolling down to hero or typing it into the search field. Once you find the hero component, click and hold the component, then drag and drop it on the plus button in the middle of the page. When adding components, it automatically adds them in the viewing mode. So to edit the hero, click the pencil icon above the component on the top left. Now, you are in the component's editing mode, where you can add various elements based on what the component allows. I'll go ahead and add some elements now. Most heroes will need a call to action or CTA in the hero leading to an application or lead capture form. To add a CTA, click Select Link and add the URL of the CTA to the URL field and what you want the button to say in the link text field. Lastly, to add a hero image, ensure that the Display Hero Image Yes button is selected, then click Add Image. When a media library opens, find the image you'd like to use, click on it, then click Select in the bottom right-hand corner of the window to add the image. When done adding elements, you can see what the component will look like prior to publishing the page by clicking the preview icon of the component. If you need to add more components, you can do so in the same manner we added the hero. Navigate to the blue plus button in the top left-hand corner of the page. Click the button, find the component you wish to add to the page. Click and hold the component, and drag it below the hero component. Only release the component when you see the blue line that indicates where the component will be added. Then, click the pencil icon to begin filling in your content. I'll add some now. Once complete, and you want to see how your additions will look, just click the preview icon of the component. Let's add some additional elements to the page to make it complete. Before publishing the page, it's important to address some page settings. To find them, click Page below the blue Publish button in the top right-hand corner of the page. This will open up your page-specific settings. From here, we'll go through a few of the important settings to ensure you are aware of them. In the Summary section, visibility refers to who will be able to see the page. By default, Public is selected. However, if you need to change the page to private or password protected, you may do so. Publish refers to when the page should be published. Should you not want to publish the page immediately, you can actually set the date and time for it to publish at a later date in the future. For SEO purposes, you may need to set the URL to something specific other than the page title. You may do so using the URL option. Note that you are only able to change the values after the backslash of the main domain. Now we can publish the page. If you selected the page to publish at a later date, the Publish button will say Schedule instead of Publish. In any case, when the page is ready, click the button. After publishing, it's important to navigate to the front end of the website to see how the page looks to verify your edits. Keep in mind that the only elements we can edit when creating a new page are in between the navigation and footer. And this is how you create, build, and publish a new page in WordPress.